mathsuniverse.com now supports copy and paste. I'm on the whiteboard, I've drawn a lovely picture of a face. I'm going to press Ctrl and C. I'm going to switch to PowerPoint and I'm going to paste it in. Notice that we have full transparency in the image that we've pasted from the clipboard. Of course, in PowerPoint, I could then go and crop away wherever I wish as well. We can also paste to the whiteboard. So say we've got some sort of maths that we want to put onto our whiteboard and we don't want to share the whole of PowerPoint. I'm just going to press Ctrl and C in PowerPoint, switch to the whiteboard and press Ctrl V, and we've pasted that in. We've still got our annotations that we can make on top. Let's say I wanted to copy the whole of this back to PowerPoint. I can again press Ctrl and C, switch into PowerPoint. I'm going to make a new slide in PowerPoint and Ctrl V, it's going to paste the whole thing in. Maybe there's a nice picture of a cat on the web that you want to put into your PowerPoint. We're going to choose a cat, we're going to copy the image, we're going to go to our whiteboard and we're going to paste it in. Again, we've got our annotations over the top, but we can remove those or add new annotations as we wish. Anything from there we can paste into a PowerPoint as well. That's copy and paste with Ctrl C and Ctrl V in mathsuniverse.com whiteboard.